all looking forward to the weekend after a busy work week. David, what's in store for us weather-wise?
Looks like a decent weekend ahead. We have some wind to get through first, though. The wind advisory remains in place for everybody near and west of I-35 here as we head into the afternoon. So for the winds in the metro haven't been too terribly strong. Right now we're seeing wind gusts about 26 miles an hour. But you look to our north, wind gusts right now 40 miles an hour in Fort Dodge, Carroll, and Algona, 47 miles an hour, over 50 miles an hour for Spencer and Sioux City. These strong wind gusts are expected to spread across the rest of the state here later today. So you can see by 1 o'clock we're seeing the winds increase here in the metro, and then those high winds spread across most of Iowa by this afternoon. So wind gusts of 35 to 40 miles an hour, very common. And west of the interstate, we are talking about those wind gusts potentially approaching 50 miles an hour. That's why we have that wind advisory. Now tonight the winds back off some, but you notice it stays pretty breezy right on into Saturday morning. And we are still looking at wind gusts of 25 to 30 miles an hour tomorrow, but not as windy as what we have seen today, and the winds will continue to die down heading into Sunday. So a little bit of good news right there. Now we had a couple of sprinkles out there earlier this morning with these clouds rolling to the northeast. Sunshine is back now here in Des Moines, but there's more clouds and showers here in northwest Iowa. Those will continue to spread to the south and east here around this big upper level storm system that's spinning over Minnesota right now. So you can see the motion there. Those clouds, those showers heading back our direction by this afternoon. Thankfully, the severe weather risk, and it is a significant one, is off to our southeast. Perhaps some large hail and tornadoes here, Missouri, Illinois, over into Kentucky and Indiana throughout the afternoon and evening. We are just looking at sunshine for the moment here across most of central Iowa. Those clouds will roll back in later this afternoon. Right now, just shy of 70 degrees with low dew points. The humidity is down, so a change from what we had earlier in the week. And temperatures are cool in northwest Iowa right now as well. 58 in Spencer, 58 in Sioux City. Underneath those clouds with those showers nearby, where we've had more sunshine, 77 in Ottumwa. I expect temperatures in southeast Iowa to approach 80 degrees today, but you notice it stays cool in northwest Iowa with the clouds, with the showers, and those showers spreading towards central Iowa by this afternoon. So 3-4 o'clock. Don't be surprised if you run into a couple of brief showers. Those should be moving out of here by about 8 o'clock this evening. Temperatures definitely cooler than the past couple of days, but not bad, with a high in the mid 70s here this afternoon. Notice it does cool off for the evening, though, and with those gusty winds, you may want a light jacket. Chillier for northwest Iowa, highs only in the upper 50s to low 60s. And then we will see some cooler weather on the way heading into next week. So the weekend looks pretty good. A little cool tomorrow, 66, 74 on Sunday, but rain likely Monday and Tuesday with highs in the low to mid 60s.